Hello, here again to tell you, give you a DIY on the headband. Kindly stay tuned and see how I do this. Hi guys, here are the things I used for my headband. It's a padded one. Trust me, you can use anything to create a padded headband. All the accessories I got from my stash. I hardly throw some things away. Look at this earring. I've turned it into an accessory for the headband. So I have other little things I can put to bling it up. And beads. Here's a piece of fabric, velvet fabric I used. Trimmings, tape. That's a net that I'm using as a pad of foam. It's my gun, hot glue gun. So let's try and start. We're gonna put this. I didn't want to use a foam, so I had this like knitted hairnet that I've not used. Actually, I don't even use it. I've never even used it. So I had to like create something out of it. And here we have my hot glue. I'm going to insert net on it. So like a woolen net kind of. You see? And voila. Man, this hot gun got my hand burnt. So guys, when doing it, be careful. It's really hot. And now, you see, ensure the glue is well spread around to hold onto the headband. I bought this headband, like a plastic one, blank, so I decided to use it to do my own. Now this velvet fabric from a turban that I don't use again, that I tried to, just be creative. Anything. Yeah, I'm measuring this, so I'm able to cut the fabric I need. I don't want to waste it. So here's the measurement of what I need to cut it out perfectly. 20 inches there. So cut a straight line out of it. Ensure it will wrap around your headband. Headband in, I don't know, the craze for it is something else now. It's in, guys, it's in. And I prefer to do my own thing myself. That's the beauty of having handwork or being a crafter. So wrap this round and use the hot glue to seal it up. For me, this is faster. You might want to sew it, but I think this is quite fast for me. Ensure it's neatly put together. With creativity, you can do anything and achieve anything you want to. You mustn't follow the rules. You do your own thing and you stand out. Trust me, when you go out, everybody will be wondering, hey, where did you buy this? How much did you buy it? Well, the joy in making your own thing is something else. So you could decide to make them for sale or be using them and just be different. Look at this. Just to hold the edge. I didn't want to use irregular velvet black trimming, so I tried to use the same fabric to do it. Guys, this is very simple. Just learn something or watch this video and try out yours. And as you can see, it won't even take a long time to sort this out. Yeah, trim any excess and still use the hot glue gun to seal it up. Anything you have that you think is great, anything around you can be creative, as long as you just use your own initiative, use your idea, and get everything sorted out. So now, where we glued the fabrics together, you might have some rough edges and you want to make it neat. I have this net trimming. I decided to use it to cover this. Okay, and here we go. Trust me, this makes it look more professional. And when I finished this, I looked at it and I said, Wow. I mean, there's more to this, your ideas and handcrafts. I really love DIYs and I like to make things stand out and my own thing to be unique, as I always say. So here we are. And the good thing about these things are all these things you're seeing lying here, I'm not going to use all, but you just want to place them side by side and try them. Then you know which one is perfect for your project. Like for this project, I just wanted something bling and simple, something totally different. If you go to Instagram, go to the market, you won't get this. Trust me, that's why when you create your own thing yourself, you always stand out. I just don't, I like being different, totally different. So if you want to sell this, if you want to make this, trust me, you will see that it will come out just the way you want, and everybody will be turning to see what you're doing. Guys, forgive me. I don't know what happened. I can't even see my headband right now. I guess my camera positioning at this point in time, but I'm still trying to fix the net trimming underneath to cover any rough edges inside the headband. I believe that's what I'm trying to do here. Yes, so at this point, you could be searching your stash to see, or your craft box to see what things you have around available, or what you have bought beforehand to put on the headband. It's actually a padded headband, so it would stand out. It's quite high, not like the regular headband that is just on your head level. This one is really high, so you're gonna be different. You're gonna be picked out in the crowd once you're there because he will give you a little height, so to say. So my glue gun is still doing its work here. Trust me, the glue gun is the perfect thing any crafter should have at all times. It would save you a lot of stress. My UHU glue, it's around the corner somewhere, but then I think this is better for me. Guys, you guys, pardon me. I think it was my camera positioning. So we didn't use those ones. I kept them aside. And you see the trimming inside. It's done. So it's neat now. So at this point, you're going to try to see which will fit better. And your pattern laying of these things matters. Trust me, anything you do, there's so many things to it. Now I think I found this one, and this will be the middle part of the headband. It blinks so well. If I tell you how I got this stuff I'm putting on, you'd laugh. It's a blink. I can't remember how I got it, but I know I've kept it for a while now. And the beauty of all these things about crafting is some things you have, you don't even know when it's going to come in handy. So I hardly throw things. Anything I see that is beautiful or I think is reusable. Trust me, guys, my craft box has all sorts of things. I really throw things just like that. I have, I don't know, I have this eye for beautiful things, so to say. If I see something I know I can reuse it or recycle it for something, I just keep it down and it comes in handy. All these things you're seeing on this headband are from my craft box. And I got this video around midnight. Sometimes these ideas come in the night. I don't know, fellow crafters I can attest to this. Most of these ideas. And when you don't do it, something I don't know, there's this force that makes you want to do that stuff in the moment you just get this idea of anything to create. If you don't do it again, you feel as if something is missing or something that you need to do. At that point, if you don't get it right, you won't get it again. So most times. So voila, here we go. The headband is ready. I love it. I love it. So, guys, thanks for watching.